Day 1 was 4 tries.
4.
Day 2 was 2 tries. Day 3 took 8 tries.
8? Really?
8 tries. So now we're back with only 8 to go. Now let's hope it doesn't take all 8. So, who's starting off today, me or you?
You can. How would it be 8 tries?
What do you mean?
No. I'm sorry, the math isn't mathing.
I don't know. I might have the count wrong. Yeah, because we had 20.
Yeah.
So we've only done 12. I don't know. I lost track along. I guess it wasn't 8 the last time. I thought we started with 16. I guess not.
Which one did you choose?
You know, I don't know.
I gotta check out the background. It's OCs. Oh. Original characters. That's what it means.
And then, yeah, look, they've got some designs here.
What does that say? I'll check it out the backgrounds. Oh, Zilva's cool.
Here we go. Ooh. I just noticed. Right? Legendary Alfie.
Nope.
I already had him.
Oh, what's Comet again? He's I forgot what animal Comet is. We never get comets.
We don't have a lot of comets, but Comet's the cat, and he's gray and white like our cat.
Oh yeah, I like Comet. Mitchell.
I know, but we've been deprived of comets, and that's why you forget, which means an epic or a legendary comet. I think it's time.
You need Comet.
I decree it. Legendary or epic comet coming our way.
I feel like... Alright.
Legendary or epic comet. Let's do it.
I feel like a 2. A 2.
A 2?
Magic 1.
Okay, 1.
Let's go 1.
You can't make up your mind. Legendary epic comet, and then a rare gem.
I'm using all 3 once again. I'm going to do the magic touch, too.
Oh, you didn't do that last time?
We got, yeah.
All right, dude. Go ahead. Legendary epic comet. Legendary epic comet. Legendary epic comet. Legendary epic comet. There it is!
Oh my god, he looks so cute!
Yeah, he's cool.
I love him! I love him!
Awesome. There we go. Wow. I called it. Legendary or epic comet. We need the world to see. Comet. 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 Boom! 1 closer. All right. Rare and a legendary. That'll fill out. Look, we know there's 1 and 1, and we know 2 have already been found here, so there's really no good shot at those.
How many tries did that take? 2?
Yeah, I went, you went. And that was it. Good. All right. Very, very good. We're getting there, dude. Cool stuff. Look at that.
I want to open one so bad.
Yeah.
Do you have any... Let's say if we have any 3s.
How about we do this? We'll finish up, and then to give everybody an extra day, when we're out of sealed blind boxes, we'll find something that we've got a bunch of, like Comet here, Alfie here, Comet here, Alfie here. One of those, and we'll bring one of those to life. Because I don't think... Let's see.
Oh, wow.
We just opened 1 each of the commons.
We have not opened a lot.
No, we don't have a lot. So, all right, that's it. We'll see if we can pull out any more of these guys. But anything dupe above common when we're out of cubes, we'll take one out of the packaging for everybody. All right. That means you get at least 1 extra video after the cubes are done.
Have we only opened 1 of Volume 2 Star Wars?
Yeah. Yeah, just like Kenobi. And we've got 8 of these guys open.
Grogu!
Yeah.
We just started watching the show.
That's right. Look at how cute he is. See? Look at that little guy. He's almost as cute there as he is in the movies, in the show. mean, look.
That was one of my favorites. He's awesome.
Look at that. When that version of Vader is cute, Cryptoys is doing something right.
That's really cool.
All right.
I actually love that.
Great stuff. All right, guys. We're getting there. Making good progress. Look at that tracker filling up. Right? And look at these. Look, we got a bunch there. Look at that. We did really well there. We did pretty well there, too. I mean...
We got 2 Ultra Grails.
2 Ultra Grails. And then in Star Wars, no Ultras. And in Motu, no Ultras. Although, by the way, in a few days after this video, the new Masters of the Universe movie goes to theaters.
We are definitely going.
Looks good. Looks good. And anybody that's my age remembers whatever that was in the 80s or 90s or whenever it was when they made that original He-Man movie. That was awful. This new one's going to be great. All right. Very good. We'll see everybody soon.